Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into the Xbox app, so settings apply to your Microsoft ID. Once signed in, tap your profile avatar at the top left. That opens account options. Make sure you use the same account you use on console, because privacy syncs across devices. Then select Settings or the Direct Privacy shortcut. This is the first actionable step that takes you into the Privacy panel, where you can edit who sees activity, communication, and content. Once inside Privacy and Online Safety, choose the profile or console you want to edit. This ensures changes target the correct device. You'll see categories like Communication, Viewing, Game Content, and Online Status. Tap each to view options. Use predefined profiles for quick presets, or choose Custom to fine-tune who can message you, view your activity, or see your presence. Make deliberate choices. Tighter settings reduce social friction, while open settings allow more interaction. Finish by tapping Save or Apply. Make sure the app confirms the change, and allow a few minutes for sync across console and phone. Once done, test settings by viewing your profile from a friend account or sending a message to confirm communication rules. If settings don't update, sign out and back in, update the Xbox app, clear the app cache, or verify your Microsoft account has no parental blocks. This troubleshooting step solves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.